Welcome to the demo of our chat app. In this video, I'll walk you through all its features and show you how to use it. From signing up to chatting with friends, managing your profile, and ensuring your account's security, this app has everything you need for a safe and fun chatting experience. Let's get started. Let's create an account or sign up by entering a username, Gmail, and a password. Usernames must contain only alphabets, numbers, and underscore. If the username is taken and Gmail is already used, a warning is displayed. Passwords must be at least 6 characters long, with 1 number, 1 lowercase, 1 uppercase letter, and 1 special character. After signing up, you'll receive an email to verify your account. You cannot sign in until your email is verified. When I enter password, the app automatically hides and skips recording that part for privacy and security. After signing in, set up your profile photo to continue. The main screen shows an admin account to share updates, reviews, and improvement suggestions. All messages and user data are encrypted, ensuring no one can read them even if the database is accessed. Users can edit or delete their messages anytime. Notifications are sent when a user receives a message. Clicking on a notification opens the chat screen. OKHTTP library is used for message notifications. Search and add friends by typing their username. Users are automatically added to the friend list when they send a message for the first time. The Profile section allows users to change their profile photo, username, and add information about themselves in the About section. Also, users can change their account password from the Profile section. Users can block or unblock friends, delete chats, and remove friends from their list. The app requires a password or fingerprint authentication for app lock after first-time sign-in and then reopening app. If someone enters the wrong password, the app captures their photo and saves it to your account. Security photos are accessible even after reinstalling the app by logging in again. Read user rights in the privacy policy section, where you can also send a request to delete your account. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed exploring the features of our chat app. If you have any feedback or suggestions, feel free to share them in the comments section below.